Welcome back. Today we'll be working on my buddy's Dodge Magnum with almost 240,000 miles on it. I put some headlights in it a while back, and now he wants me to change the taillights in it too, so let's get started. It has these aftermarket taillights in here that have some issues, and he's not a fan of them, so he went out and bought replacement stock ones. And today we'll be working by the ocean and palm trees. Relaxing. And let's see what he purchased. What do we got here? TYC. There's left. Hopefully this says right. And it does. Very good. There is one stud that holds the light in, and then you have clips that go into either side. These are the ones that are hidden right over here under the hatch. So we were going to pry those out and open up that little door back in here and get to the stud. Little insulation, and the nut on the inside, if it serves me right, is a plastic, I don't know if you can see it, a plastic wing nut. There's not a lot of space to get your hand in there, especially if you got big hands. There, I got my thumb on it and pushed it. I'll work it slow. I know I'm going to drop it. Hopefully I won't. You can hear the cursing now when it clips to the bottom of the little hole. Come on out. Got it. Good. Okay, with everything done, this should slide out. Keep on there. One plug. And it's tight. Ooh, baby. There we go. That should be attached to that. Plug the new one in. Slide it in place. I'm not liking how this fits. Big, huge gap. That gap to me is way too wide. That little rubber thing that they gave you, that little insulator, is like double the thickness of the one that came out. So we might pop this back out and peel the old one off and put them on to get this to fit a little bit snugger compared to what's on this side. A much nicer gap over here. So take it back out again. Okay, we got the push clips back in over here. We played around with the gaskets a little bit and got the gap a little bit tighter, not much. This is the wonder of aftermarket parts. They're good, but they're not always great. But they do work. That's the important thing. We got the nut all tightened up in there. We can close this back up. Same thing on the other side. Plugged. Now, this is the same job you're going to have to do if you just want to change a light bulb. So, this is what's involved. If this video helped you, do me a favor, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and thank you for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. Make sure they work before you tighten them all up. Very good.